Folks, welcome back to the channel. It's late night here in the UK. It's 10 to midnight. I'm recording this video and I'm going to get it out as soon as I can. It will be out minutes after I finish it, honestly. Okay, so across board, the systems are down. Hexagon infrastructure will be okay because it's their own external infrastructure they own and run. All of our systems that we utilize as a community is legacy stuff, which are owned by TFL. TFL is down across board. Now, the biggest issue I'm seeing with this is they've identified a temporary issue with the domains. For your safety, please refrain from accessing domains. This is scary. This is scary because these risks are always going to be out there and we're always going to be under the thumb of TFL. And this is always why I've wanted to separate us as a community, and so we don't have all of these issues. And there isn't potential threats. Now, what they're saying is stay rest assured the Terra blockchain is unaffected and your funds remain secure. But this contradicts it at the top. Now, what I would advise for everybody is this is what you're going to be presented with when you refresh your page. Do not connect to this. You do not know who's on the other side. You do not know what information they may be able to capture on your screen. You just don't know. They don't know, we don't know, you don't know. So the best thing to do is sit on your hands and wait for instructions. As soon as they give instructions, they give clear signal, I'll get a video up straight away. Folks, get this one shared around. It's really short, really brief, and really explaining what is going on. Don't panic, remain calm. Your funds are safe, so to speak. Do not go on any of the official domains. Don't try to look for another domain. Don't go onto Station, anywhere else. Just sit on your hands. Don't panic. The systems will get back to normal as soon as possible. TFL seem to have got this out at 10:30. We were in a space and podcast, so I kind of missed it. And, you know, others said, oh no, it's not that much of a problem. Clearly it is, but here you go. Stay safe, stay humble, stay aware, and I'll catch you in the next one.